And today, y'all wanna know what we're doing today? We going to the beach with the bestie. We're going to the beach with our bestie. Yeah, I always start, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I always start these videos off like this before I didn't even got ready. But yeah, so we're gonna get ready. And then they will come to pick me up. This very much needed. This is very much needed. Very much. We just finna jump right into the video because I know it's gonna be kind of a long one. I ain't gonna hold y'all. So yeah, so let's just jump in the shower.
1 hour later.
Okay. Hi guys. Bye guys. Hi guys. Older. Hey guys. We're at the house. I changed my swimsuit because I didn't like the one I had on. I liked it, but I didn't like it, if that makes sense. Anyways, guys, this is what we got. She wouldn't be like me so bad, so she's putting glue in her hair. You do know my hair's not staying like this, right? Gay!
You a hoe for that, because you're not going to keep the blonde? Do you not want to be like your favorite blonde people?
My favorite blonde people is crazy.
Oh, are we not your favorite blonde people?
You are. You. Okay, guys, we're in the car. We're going to the beach. Oh God. It's very hectic.
Hey, show her how the lights turn out. Talk about it wasn't gonna work.
Oh, that's
Core.
And
I look good. That's my special ed uncle right there. He's special. That's his caretaker. That was the gay one. That's the one that's cross-eyed. And then there's me. Wow. The beautiful addition of the bunch.
Bro, I thought.
You remember last year what we did?
What?
That's typically how the bullshit goes.
We're here. We just walking. She want to do this. So guys, is you want to carry this? Here, it's bigger than you, but. Okay, guys. We're here. It's hot. Ulysses are here. It's hot. We're staying hot. I need some sunscreen. Hi guys. Woo!
We in the water.
Okay guys. I'm having fun. I don't give a damn. My hair is wet, but it's okay because we're getting it done next week, so who cares? Hey, all the glue came out.
R.I.P.
Look, all the glue came out.
So yeah,
now guys, what we're gonna do? We're gonna make the sandwiches.
Yeah, we can.
So, hold on. Let's go.
We'll be back.
Hi. We're being big kids and making sandcastles.
We're gonna get sand in the cooler. She broke it again. It's not gonna look nice.
Let me cook.
I've let you cook in the
No,
first
you
way.
didn't. Let me cook. I see you hate it. Hey guys. My social battery is
Oh.
my social.
We're kind of tired. You tired?
Are we good? How bad is my titty?
I'm ready to go. I ain't gonna lie.
I love it. I'm not ready to go.
Like I am, but I'm not.
I want to stay to watch.
Hi guys. We just did a bunch of TikToks. I don't really know. I don't know.
I enjoyed that a lot. I hope you know.
Hi guys. So basically, we're just walking down the beach and we're finding seashells by the seashore. Peter, how you feel?
I got seashells.
Izzy's back there rinsing shit off. I don't even know.
What is that?
Flour.
Why you lost it?
I rinsed it off. You can get it. Come on, Iz. No, you cannot eat it. What do you mean, can I eat it? Honestly, guys, I'm ready to go. But that's cool.
Mommy's unexplored. She's not ready to go ever.
All right, y'all. I'll be back, I guess. When am I gonna be back?
Whenever the hell we feel like it, bitches.
Oh God. All right. Y'all, the water is so pretty. But
Less.
okay. But yeah. So Izzy's just finding seashells by the seashore. I'm ready to go home and take a shower. Guys, when I step on the sand,
You feel like Moana?
no, but like, look. 'Cause it's like,
When you step on the sand, it turns white.
that's what I was saying. That's what I'm talking about.
I want to be a star.
Hi, guys. We're leaving. What time is it?
7:24.
The ops? You want? Oh, okay. I was thinking. What time we get here? Like 3 something? Y'all, we were in such a good mood. We were so hyped when we got here. Mama talking about going up the stairs. Y'all, let me show y'all where the stairs at. I hear cicadas. Y'all, we're walking with no shoes on. Ow! Isabella! What? Drowning hazard.
Baby.
Okay, guys, it is currently 9:54. I'm finna go the fuck home. I'm not gonna hold y'all. We're tired. I'm going home to go to bed. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And
We'll see you guys in the next one. Or she might. Bye-bye.
bye, y'all.
Okay.
My God. One girl from Philly, I think her name Nikki, and I fuck with Nikki, cause she not too picky, and she not too choosy, but sometimes she